Tutorial 90 Assembly for CATIA. In the previous tutorial, we keep learning how to position our parts and adding constraints, and we use the constraint toolbox and the manipulation toolbox. And also we use another in the beginning is when we are inserting a new part, how you also can positioning when you are inserting them. Remember, let's choose part 2 here, and here you are able to position your part as well. So, and here you can check either to make automatic constraint or not. So we have different ways to position the parts, and in this tutorial we're going to show you another type for positioning using the compass. So in the beginner tutorials we show you how to translate a part, a single part, moving, rotating it. Also you can do the same thing in the assembly workbench and assemble your part due to the compass. For example, let's add the compass on that edge. You just drag it and add it. Make sure to select that surface, because when you are throw it on the edge, you're going to select that edge or this surface. So let's pick this surface, and now you notice that we have different directions where you can move your part. For example, if you double click on that, and let's change the direction to be 10, apply. So you notice that you move that part. So you can again change to the direction you want, apply. So if you are satisfied with that distance, then you can click close. Also you can directly drag it in the direction you want here too. And let's now take the compass back. Now let's try to rotate the part. Let's add the compass on that edge, and you can notice here where you can rotate the part, or double click to add a specific angle value. When you are satisfied with the positioning, you can take it back again. So after this tutorial, we now knew the different type of positioning as we showed you. For example, at the beginning when you are inserting, you are able to position your part. You have the constraint parts, you have the manipulation and snap toolbox, and you have the compass, and all it's depending on the user which method he finds it is easier or faster. So I hope that was useful.